Hey flowers, I hope you have an amazing day. Continue to be you, continue to put yourself first, and y'all know the motto. And forever and always, put yourself first. Ding. Yeah, I can see my pretty songs. This hand look a little funny, but these are cute. Ignore my rings, but yeah. These are cute. They look so natural. They look so natural. They like a little French tip, y'all, and I got French tips on my toes. So let me see. There you go. Okay, I guess. But they look really, really natural, and I love it. I'm loving the curve. They actually have been easy to manage, and haven't came off. So cheers to the press-ons, and cheers to the press-on girlies, because save money, live better than Walmart. Yes, y'all. So your girl is outside, y'all. Are we gonna call this what do I want to call this? I don't know. Okay, forget it. But it's a Monday, and I want to start the week off right with a reset, with a reclaim, with meditation, with the reading and everything, y'all. So I'm at my stomping grounds. I'm literally outside is my stomping grounds. Any naturey area that I can go to and I feel like home is my motherfucking stomping grounds, period. Like, why not? It just makes perfect sense. So I'm in my stomping grounds. Yeah, I feel good. I feel litty. I got up and just was like, let me just do something. Let me get outside. I didn't go to work today. Well, I'm still gonna work, but it won't be that type of work. It'll be different work. So, yay. Yes, I want to use this day as like a reset. I feel like y'all know people be like, Sunday is they reset day. Like, Sunday is for like starting the week. Monday is mine. Like, Monday is my starting the week off right. Monday is my day where I need to reset, clean. Like, Monday feels like that day for me, and I love it. So Saturday, Sunday just be like my vibe day, my, watch show day. Just, I still be chilling, I still do other stuff, but like Monday is my reset, reclaim day. So yay, today is Monday. Okay, and it's currently 1:06, and I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. However, I'm here and I'm grateful to be here. So we're gonna start the vibes off with, I was looking for my lighter. I didn't want to check my mailbox, baby. Being a good news. Yeah, we're gonna start the vibes off with burning my Palo Santos. If you know, then you know. If you don't know, just look it up. I don't want to do too much explaining. It's like an incense, literally. It's like a really, really, really rich incense, and it gives off a really, really good smell that gives off a good vibe, that gives off a calm vibe. So I love it. I burn it. I keep this particular stick in the car just when I need to burn it, when I need to just breathe and just relax and just not think and just like be in the moment. And I will burn my Palo Santos and be good, baby. Set me straight. Like, so yeah, it's that time that I need to burn. Y'all, we gonna go outside so y'all can see the scenery that I love, that I see, and it's a whole vibe. But yeah, I need to go ahead and burn, get right, get right. Get right with self, get right, become one, you know what I'm talking about? So, we'll go out here and enjoy the vibes. What else? Y'all so calming. It's just calm you the fuck down. I just love being calm. I be wanting to be like this all the time. I really do. I just be so hype. Oh, that was just hype. Bring it down a notch. Okay. Shout out to the Palo Santos, baby, because it gets you there. Literally, it gets you where you need to be, and I love it. Yes, y'all, I'm so excited. I have this book that my sister actually been talking about it, but y'all, Emotional Intelligence 2.0, baby. Who will like, my sister been telling me about this book, and she just been like, oh my god, you got to read it. This is this and that. This is amazing. It tell you so much. And I'm like, yeah, I want it. And so we got it, baby. We gonna read it. We gonna read a little bit of it. I just kind of want it. Since I'm like in the reading space, I want to kind of stay in that space and like stay in the excitement of wanting to read. If you know, when you just not the best reader, but you read because you need to read. I feel like everybody needs to read, and just read something, and it's just good for your mental. It's good for like, your vocabulary and everything. And so I'm just doing what needs to be done, baby. I've been needing to read. I actually started on a couple of books, and I don't be finished up. So y'all, I really want to finish this book, because this book can alter your whole mindset, your whole emotion, like your whole everything. And I really want to stay committed to a book and read the entire book. I have read books before, but like y'all, I haven't read a book in a while. In a minute. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't read a book in a long time. So, not a long time, but a couple of months maybe. And it's time to get back to it. So I feel that this will be the perfect book to read. Oh, I'm excited, y'all, because my sister said it tells you about like self-awareness. Okay, the proven strategies to increase your, baby, proven. This say proven strategies to increase your self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Baby, do you know how you can be so successful with just these 4 alone? Baby, y'all, this book has amazing reviews, and the fact that I have my hands on it, it's just so meant for me right now. So we're gonna read it, okay? I'm gonna read some just to kind of like maybe read and discuss. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, y'all. We're gonna go outside, get some fresh air. Yeah, soak up the nature. I got me some food, got me something to drink. So baby, sit back, relax, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not to I Am Flower. Yes, y'all, and thank you for the ones who have been supporting me and watching my videos. I appreciate you. You are awesome. You are loved, and keep growing strong, because it's what it is, baby. Keep going. Keep your head up. Yo, we finna go outside because it's getting hot in the sky, and I wanna, yeah, the nature is calling my name. I'm going to the nature, looking ass. Okay, all right, let's go. Y'all, so we outside. I had to go and find me somewhere like I could sit and see, like be comfortable and vibe out. Y'all, it's so many birds. I don't know if those ducks are birds. I don't know. But they got wings and they got a long neck. I'm gonna show y'all. But I think they ducks. Yeah, duck. Okay. But yeah, y'all, it feel really, really good outside. It's been thundering, so I don't know if it's about to rain or yeah, but it's really, really peaceful out here, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all. I just want the channel that I got here, and I'm sitting nice comfortably, which is good. I can kind of get comfortable up here. I'm sitting on this, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna sit on it up here and vibe out, y'all. I've been needing to come outside, genuinely. I've been needing to come outside, so I feel like this is perfect. I feel good, and I don't know, I could cry, I could pray, I could just watch. It's so much I could do. Put my feet in the water. I don't know. I'm just grateful to be here, y'all. I'm really grateful to be outside. It's crazy. Like, this is outside to me. Being in nature is outside to me. Like, being around trees, then light poles, then people, then cars. Like, this is outside to me. Going to like parks, that's just the park. It's the park. This is nature. So being outside here is, you know, it's a different vibe. It feels great. I don't know if y'all just heard the thundering, but it's thundering. And yes, I'm just really grateful to be here. Yes, I'm gonna pray. Y'all wanna watch the water while I pray? I don't know what y'all wanna do. I don't know. But yeah, I need to pray. I need to pray. So yeah, we're gonna do what we feel. And that's what y'all should do in life. That's what y'all can do. You know, do what you feel. Do what you feel is right. They sleeping. Wow. All the birds are sleepy. But okay, let's do it. Peace and love, protection, prosperity. Speaking just manifestation, positivity. Speaking life into me with positivity. Oh, y'all to go butterfly. Yeah. Man, that's amazing, y'all. Right when, like, in the middle of me about to pray, a butterfly, a yellow butterfly, just is right here. Like, it's a whole yellow butterfly in my space, in my mind, in my space. And alignment is everything. Alignment is everything. And Ashe, namaste. Thank you, butterfly. I needed that. I needed to see something. I needed that. Oh, just beautiful. Okay, let's get back into we're gonna do affirmations. I'm gonna do affirmations. I am kind. Oh, baby, they're gonna have to not call me. I'm busy. Oh, I'm screenshot. Baby, I'm busy. I'm at work. Baby, I'm at work. All right, so let's do affirmations. I am love. We're gonna do, I don't know, we're just gonna do the affirmation. I am kind. I am peaceful. I am protected. I am fearless. I am worthy. I am brave. I am creative. I am smart. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am amazing. I am surviving. I am living. I am safe. I am prosperity. I am joy. I am happy. I am divine energy. I am divine feminine. I am divine. I am a goddess. I am a warrior. I am love. I am light. I am everything. I am enough. I am peace. I I am gentle. I am beautiful. I am adventurous. I am free. I am free. I am free. I am healthy. I am wealthy. Today, Ashe, Namaste, and gratitude. Just want to continue to just grow. I feel it. I'm already changing for the better, and from circumstances. Baby, if you don't learn, you're gonna learn the hard way. And it's okay to learn the hard way. Sometimes you need to know where you're wrong at. You need to know where you need to work, what things you need to work on. Nobody's perfect, but we all have work to do. Whether that's emotionally, whether that's physically, whether that's mentally, whether that's financially, whether that's spiritually, religiously, whatever it is, Lee. We all have work to do. We all have things to work on. And as long as you just doing the work, it ain't gotta be perfect. Hell, it only gotta be consistent. Well, sometimes it should. But even if we get inconsistent, that happens. We're human. Even if we get inconsistent, it's okay to get back in it, to put yourself back in that space, to just to find yourself again, just to get back in, just to lock back in. It's okay to lock back in. I think locking in is the most amazing thing, and just being true to yourself and being true to who you really want to be. It's okay to do the work, y'all. Sometimes the work be hard, but it's, you gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. You gotta keep these dukes up, looking ass. No, you ain't gotta put your dukes up, but y'all. All right, let me show y'all the water, how good the water looks. Okay. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Look at this scenery. It is amazing. It's beautiful, right? Look at the scenery, y'all. Nothing but nature. And a man out there kayaking. What, that's what I'm talking about. Peace, y'all. Those the birds over there. Let's zoom in. So y'all can see the birds. Look at them, y'all. It's a whole lot of them. But this is beautiful. And this is one of my places, y'all, I like to come to. I don't know what that is there. I don't know what that is, but hey, it don't bother me, so I'm mind my business. Y'all, look, there's just so much nature. So much love, so much peace, so much water. And the beauty about it, it's a current. You know, it's a flow. You know, it's like it's a whole flow. So to come here and like meditate, pray, talk, I think it's a really good place to come because you get to literally witness currency flowing, a stream of something that just continuously keeping going. You know, like clock it, clock it, clock it. It just speaks so much value. So I love it here, and I'm gonna let y'all feel the vibes. Enjoy the water for a minute. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the car. I got me a little what is it? What the fuck is it? Strawberry drink. Little strawberry drink and some freaking fish tacos, y'all. I love these tacos. I used to live in this area, and I used to always come to this particular taco spot, y'all, cause the tacos are fire. They fire. Baby, ain't no ifs, ands, buts about it. So, we got lunch. I'm gonna go back outside, but I really just want to eat something. We got lunch. Baby, look at the people on the speedboat, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I gotta get me a boat. I got to get a boat. I need a boat. We ain't doing yacht parties, baby. We doing nature parties. We going outside for a peace of mind. What the fuck is this talking about? And they just cruising. I don't know if they looking for fishes or sharks, but to each his own. To each his own, blue geese. Where my baby towels at? Okay, let's cut the AC back on. Cause it's getting a little hot. Where my paper towels at, y'all? I went to the store and bought paper towels. Oh. I'm like, I don't see them. I found them. Aww. Yeah, these are my delicious tacos. The man, he rushing. He, look, 5. You can't even see him, but I got 3 fish tacos with cilantro cheese and onion. Y'all, he was in so much of a rush, he couldn't even put my shit in the tray right. Like, why? Why is this? Look at, baby, my man, I don't think he ever been that busy, so he living his life rushing. I love that for him, so, because there really don't be a lot of people in there. Sometimes it be really, really slow, and sometimes it be people in there, so I get it. He was busy. Yeah, we gonna eat, talk, do a little mukbang, little taco mukbang on a Monday. Yeah, I love this green sauce. I don't know what it's made with or what, but it's fire. And this particular one is pretty thick. I don't think I had it when it was thick like this. I think I had it. This is like applesauce. I think I had it when it was not this thick. And y'all, here go the red sauce. Oh, y'all, the red sauce is very red saucy. It's hot, extremely hot, but it's so good. But it's hot. It's really, really hot. So we gonna dive in, but then it's raining. I may not stay out too long, y'all, because my car is doing something, and I don't want to be like, you know, just being out too long. I need to get my baby gotta keep getting right, so. Y'all, it took us so far. It's that good. Fire. I don't even got nothing to say. Shit. Ten out of 10. Highly recommend. Five. Y'all know why my camera, my camera about to die. I don't even know why. I don't. It was just fully charged. So that's annoying. To be honest, it's really annoying. Y'all, this man dog looking right in there. We don't let that man, baby. Baby dog be so high alert. It ain't funny. Don't be looking at me, baby. Life is good. Somebody, life is good. Don't be looking at me. Yeah, there's work to be done. I chit chat with my mom Dukes, then I gotta hang up. So I got work to do, babe. I got a blog to finish before my camera die. However, we still gonna finish, y'all. I just ate 2 tacos and they was fire. But like, I really want to use today as for sure like a reset day, a fresh start day, as like a fresh start Monday. You know, before really the week start. The week starts Tuesday for me. And I just want to take today to like really work on some stuff, pray, and just really come out to my stomping grounds, period. And I hope y'all do the same thing. Every time you feel lost or you feel like you're not yourself, just go outside, like, or go to the car, like seclude yourself for a temporary moment, whether that takes a couple hours, for a minute. Go seclude yourself and just pray, talk, cry, do anything that can get you out that space, y'all, for real. And I'm a living testimony. When I do bring myself to places like this, it helps me forget about everything. It helps me not forget, but it just helped me just unwind from everything. Like, don't let, just be in the moment, breathe. Sometimes I cry, you know. I just let it out, talk, whatever. Like, I just start talking. There's no perfect way how to talk when you need to talk to yourself. Y'all, like I was saying, there's no perfect way how to do anything until you just do it. You know what I'm saying? Just talk, go pray, go meditate, go breathe, whatever the case may be, just do it. It's really helpful, and everything gonna work out, y'all, no matter what. Do the little things, create the big things. Going to pray is the little things. Going to meditate is little. All this stuff, it should be added. It could be added to your daily. And it could just be done differently in many ways. And it's those little things can create big things, big opportunities, big goals, like big passions, and like just big finance, in anything financial. Like, just, excuse me, doing the little things with just taking a step outside, secluding yourself, it's very needed, and it works out. It will work out in the end, for sure. Yeah, my mouth is hot from eating tacos. My mouth is really hot, but it's okay. I got one more delicious taco to go. Yeah, I'm ready to start on this book, but I don't want to touch it with taco fingers, so it's like I literally need to eat and then get on this book. So I hope y'all enjoying my Reset Mondays. If y'all want me to do more videos like this on Mondays, let me know. Cause we're gonna start doing a whole lot. But I'm gonna take my time. You know, keep bringing in content. Keep pushing out content. And we're just gonna keep doing it, y'all. We're gonna keep doing the work. I can put the rest of this sauce. Not all of it, because it's gonna be too spicy. I love onions. Just falling apart. Fry. Now they bring the cedar, I guess that's a cedar, the senior citizen. Now these tacos be a reward for me. Because I don't come out this side of town all the time. But when I come and I have these delicious tacos, it just feel so good. It feels like an honor. Because I came out here and did some inner work. And now I get to eat some good food. Five. Baby, gotta cut that air back on, cause heat on the hot mouth don't mix. Spooky. We're gonna read something. Y'all so excited! And do a thumbnail. Also, fun fact, if you cannot get a hold to this book on hand, go on Audible, listen to it. Audible will let you listen to any book for 3 months for free. Just sign up and go on Audible. This is not paid promotion. This is just something, I'm just giving y'all a free game. If you ain't got the book, then you can just go on Audible, sign up. You get to read the book for 3 months. Well, you have 3 months of unlimited book reading. So it's fire. You know what I'm saying? It's just something to look forward to. I'm excited, y'all. I'm ready for my whole mental to change from reading this book. So, we excited. Yeah, I can't wait. But we're going to step back outside for a little bit before we head out. But if you made it so this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed these videos. I do plan on doing more. Oh, there go a Redbird. Thumbs up to the Redbirds. Thumbs up. I do plan on doing more videos like this, so y'all stay tuned. But we're for real, lock in with your girl. I am Flower. It speaks so much value, and it corresponds to my life so much of who I am. And yeah, I don't mind sharing this journey with y'all. This is something new. This is like me being really, really vulnerable and just like show y'all things that I just don't show y'all. And it's okay. It's okay. Some things are okay for social media. For social media, of course, some things are not. This is my channel. This is my world. This is my space. This is my TV show. You're just watching it. And respectfully, and this is something that y'all should feel too, you don't have to express everything to social media. If you genuinely want to share and keep it pushing, because social media is a place where they feel obligated. And I'm not saying supporters, just the whole concept of social media is a place where people feel obligated. They feel like you got to do this, you got to do that. If you don't, then you're going to get canceled. And I'm not here to follow nobody else's rules, boo. That's not what I want for my content. That's not what I want for my page. I'm going to genuinely express myself through my content, through what things I want to share with you on social media. And that's that. Okay? Respectfully, as far as upcoming content creators and people that want to go into doing blogs and doing content, in order to protect your mental, save yourself, and don't give yourself a hard time, or even just want to be consistent, post what you want to post. It's that. Obligations and all this extra stuff, it don't matter. Let people be them. Content creators, they started being content creators just off for them being them, not from people telling them what to do, to be like. They just started doing it for them. So as a new person coming into content and want to really, really build my channel, I'm doing this for me. And I'm doing this because I don't mind showcasing and showing things that I don't mind sharing. Respectfully. You know what I'm saying? You win some, you lose some. But you live to fight another day. Look at that. But y'all, oh God, people keep calling me. But y'all, stay tuned for more. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to go outside a little more for one more time. Y'all going to see the water from my camera. Look at this. It's beautiful, y'all. Told you. Welcome home. If you want to join me, join me. Drop a picture down below or sign. Let me know if you outside in nature. Well, send it to me. But y'all, this is home. This is epic. This is living. And it's so pretty. And I just want to jump in it. I'm gonna get my hands wet. Y'all gotta get my hands wet. I gotta let the nature touch my hands. I'm gonna probably do it right here. Hold on, let me reset. So beautiful. That's off. Right on. Shalom. Now this is amazing. I don't even want to go. I want to stay outside with you. Yeah, I'm a trip. I'm a big trip. But this is beautiful. I want you to stay. Y'all, peace and love, flowers. Y'all the garden. Y'all are the start of the garden. Peace and love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, for people who have been subscribing, for people who have been staying tuned, watching my vlogs. Thank you so much. I wish nothing but the best to you. I wish nothing but love and light, prosperity, abundance, joy, beauty, money, health, wealth, baby. I wish nothing but the best to you. Thank you so much. This is the start of a new beginning. Continue to stay consistent from the roots with flower. Y'all, the sun is here with me, baby. I feel it, I see it, and so grateful, y'all. Keep gratitude in your life, and alignment, y'all. Start to learn to move off alignment. We'll learn to just, if things are calling you, that something come, go do it, go make it happen, y'all, and results gonna speak for itself. Just do it. Just do the bare minimum. Do the small things, and it's gonna create the bigger things in your life. And I'm a firm believer of that. Toot toot. Toot 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 toot. Yeah. Okay, I'm playing. But y'all, let's like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and love. Bye, flowers.